Since I asked you to write down your why in the last lesson, in this one I want to share a few of the many benefits of weight loss. Just reminding yourself of how great of a health and energy boost weight loss can be is already motivating. And maybe some of them will even land on your why list of important reasons for your individual weight loss game plan. So first are more balanced hormone levels. Hormones play a huge role in pretty much all of our bodily functions. Metabolism, energy levels, sex drive, and so many others. Excessive amounts of fat tissue can disturb your hormonal balance and decrease testosterone production. This in turn will affect muscle building capabilities and overall energy levels. Bringing your weight to normal levels or even building muscle will also stabilize your hormone balance and make it easier to maintain or even further your weight loss. Next is improved sleep. Studies have shown that losing just a few pounds of excess body weight can help you sleep longer throughout the night. Not only that, but exercise will further increase this positive effect and will make you sleep better than ever. On top of that, getting rid of excess fat can also help alleviate sleep apnea and snoring. Third, a better mood. A healthy weight will also show in your mood. Exercising and healthy dieting releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins. They are responsible for that high you feel after your workout. When mood interact with brain receptors, they reduce possible feelings of pain and will generally lighten your mood. Also, reduce joint pain. Excess weight literally weighs down on your joints and ligaments. This can really become a problem in your 40s and 50s. People with arthritis will suffer even more, so make sure to monitor your weight very carefully if you are at risk of arthritis. Remember, the less you weigh, the less weight your bones and joints have to support, which will obviously reduce joint pain. Increased immunity. Nothing improves your immune system like a healthy weight and lifestyle. I remember that before I watched my diet and especially my vitamins, that I would get sick every other month. Obviously, this hurt my productivity and motivation. Once I started exercising regularly and eating more healthily, things automatically improved and nowadays I almost never get sick anymore. And lastly, junk food actually becomes less appealing. Everyone likes some junk food here and there, but once you have gone through the struggle of losing weight and maybe building muscle, you will want to maintain your results and probably change your overall approach to dieting and exercise. You will want to lead an active lifestyle and will want to eat quality foods. Therefore, junk food will become less appealing and your cravings will be greatly reduced, if not completely eliminated.